Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Archetype Origins. My name is Ben and this is...
I'm Jenny.
Now if you haven't checked out our office video already, I'll be sure to link it up here or in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you haven't already. But that's not the point. So today we're going to be talking about our top 5 desk accessories that not only enhances our productivity workflow, but also boosts our overall gaming experience. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the Delta Wrist Hub. This little guy might look simple, but it's a game changer when it comes to ergonomics. It's designed to reduce strain on your wrist, especially during long typing or gaming sessions. I love how it contours perfectly to the shape of my hand, providing just the right amount of support without being bulky. Now, it does take some time to get used to it. When I first started using it, it felt kind of weird just having a support underneath my wrist. But after a couple of tries, my wrist started to appreciate the support. The cushion is soft and all you have to do is just place your lower palm on it and let the Delta Hub do its job. Now for this next one, I personally think this is one of the most underrated desk accessories, monitor riser. If you are using a monitor arm for your setup, chances are you have a lot of empty spaces underneath your monitor, and the best way to utilize the space is by simply using a monitor riser. This creates layering for your desk space and also adds a nice touch to the aesthetic of your setup. Personally, I like to place some of my most used accessories such as my audio mixer and my remote for my BenQ monitor light bar on top of the monitor stand, since this monitor riser stand is pretty long. On the left side underneath the monitor stand, I also mounted an extra charging hub with double-sided tapes for all my electronics and peripherals. And on the right, I mounted an external USB hub for peripherals and flash drives. With the help of the monitor stand, I don't have to constantly look for chargers to charge my electronic devices anymore, and I also don't have to worry about reaching to the back of my PC just to plug in a flash drive. Next up, we have the JSOX 10-in-1 OmniCase 2 docking station. Yeah, I know, it's a long name. If you're someone who uses a lot of peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external drives, this docking station will make your life much easier. It has multiple USB ports, SD card slot, and HDMI support, making it an all-in-one solution for connecting everything. The docking station is compact and can easily fit in your pocket, so you can take it with you wherever you go. If you travel with the OmniCase 2, the connecting cables are stored inside a detachable lid for easy access. You can also store additional SD cards inside the lid so you don't lose your valuable footage. And if you are a MacBook user, this docking station is the perfect solution for staying productive on the go.
Before we get to our next accessory, I want to take some time to thank our sponsor for this video, Height. They just hooked us up with their latest keyboard, the Height Keeve TKL, and it is stunning. The Keeve TKL features Height's very own fluffy lavender linear switches and is paired with a gasket mount design, giving each keystroke that smooth and cushioned feel we all appreciate. Plus, it's hop swappable, so if you prefer different switches, like you don't like linear switches, then you can easily swap them out for switches of your preference, making this keyboard uniquely yours.
And let's not forget about the dual magnetic rollers. These are fully customizable too, whether it's volume control, app switching, or adjusting brightness, it's all right at your fingertips.
With these easy to swap legs, you can improve the ergonomics of your setup using the tilt legs to adjust to your comfortable typing angle. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, comfort, and customization, the Height Keeve TKL is definitely worth checking out. Again, huge thank you for Height for sponsoring this video, and if you're looking to get your own keyboard, link is in the description box below. Back to the video. Woo! For the next item on our list, I think it's a little bit underappreciated, and I'm surprised not more people have it on their desk, but that is the test light. First off, you have improved visibility. The light shines directly on your desk area, helping you see smaller objects and details more clearly. This is especially helpful if you're doing other things on your desk. Next up is reduced eye strain. If you ever get headaches or feel tired while looking at your screen for hours, then this light will be a game changer. By cutting down on glares and shadows, task lighting makes it much easier on your eyes, which means that you can game or work for longer without feeling that eye fatigue. Not only does it reduce eye strain, but it also can boost productivity. When you can see everything clearly without struggling to focus, it's way easier to stay in the zone. Another great benefit is flexibility and customization. The BenQ light bar is super customizable. You can change the tone of the light from cool to warm. You can also move the direction of the light and tilt it to shoot exactly where you need. And for those with limited desk space, this task light is super compact and can be mounted on top of your monitor, so it doesn't take up any additional workspace. The controller is also beautiful and sits right on your desktop for you to easily control everything at your fingertips. Lastly, task lights also double as ambient lighting. Sometimes you're not just working, sometimes maybe you're just trying to set a vibe. Whether you're getting ready for a late night gaming session or winding down with some background music, a task light can create that perfect, subtle, ambient glow. Not only does it look amazing, but it keeps your workspace comfortable without the harshness of overhead lighting. All in all, if you're looking to reduce eye strain, save energy, and improve your overall desk experience, while also creating a great mood and ambient lighting, a monitor task light is a must-have addition. The last item on our list is something you don't want to be skipping out on, so I would put a decent amount of your budget towards this item. The Haworth Fern Chair. First off, the Fern Chair is all about supporting your body in a way that feels natural. The backrest is designed with a wave suspension system that mimics the natural curve of your spine. So when you're sitting for long periods of time, whether it's for a long gaming session or a full workday, your back is always supported in all the right places. What I love most is how responsive the chair is. It actually adapts to your movements, making sure you stay comfortable no matter how you shift around. Plus, the seat itself is cushioned just right, not too firm and not too soft, so you feel supported but not stiff. It's also super adjustable. You can change the height, the tilt, the armrest, and even the lumbar support. So that means you can customize it to fit your exact needs. Honestly, once you've tried the Fern Chair, you won't want to go back to anything else. It's perfect for creating a workspace that prioritizes both comfort and productivity. If you're serious about comfort and reducing strain on your back, especially during those long work or gaming sessions, the Fern Chair is an investment worth making. The design of the Fern Chair is not just about ergonomics, it's also about aesthetics. The chair is clean, with modern lines, to make a perfect addition to any workspace. Whether you're aiming for a sleek minimalist look or more dynamic, it comes in a variety of colors and finishes, so you can pick one that really complements your style. The chair back is almost like a piece of art, with its intricate structure visible through the breathable mesh. The design not only looks good, but also provides continuous airflow to keep you cool, even during intense focus periods. Additionally, if you like to scoot around the office like us, you can change out the wheels to do this. Whee! And there you guys have it, our top desk accessories to level up your workflow. These simple upgrades can make a huge difference in your comfort, your productivity, and your overall workflow experience. If you want to grab any of the items for yourself, we do have affiliate links in the description box below, so you can check it out there. If you enjoyed the video and want more content like this, give us a like or a subscribe and let us know which one of these accessories that you can't live without. We'll see you in the next one.